So we are at the National Farm Machinery Show 2023, and we are with the Rule 19 truck. Now, you said you've pulled here before?
Yeah, 2005 was my first year.
And what place did you take?
Fourth place, I believe.
Fourth place. And how did you come up with the name Rule 19 for your truck?
Well, I used to pull in the state of Illinois, and we pulled super stock, and I had designed a rear end for my truck that was legal by their rules, but they didn't like it. So at the rules meeting, they decided to make the 19th rule in the rule book, no goofy stuff. That way, anything that I come up with, they could disqualify me.
That's awesome. What is your favorite thing about the National Farm Machinery Show?
The people.
The people?
The prestige and being invited to come and participate with the best pullers.
Mr. Terry. All right, 2004 Dodge Dakota. Do we have any Dodge fans out there?